What it does. Jenkins is an open-source automation server that enables you to build, test, and deploy your software projects continuously. It's a key tool in the CI/CD, continuous integration/continuous deployment, pipeline. Command/example. Breaking it down. Install Jenkins. We start by installing Jenkins on an Ubuntu system. This involves updating the package list, installing the default JDK, adding the Jenkins repository, and finally installing Jenkins. Jenkinsfile. The Jenkinsfile is a Groovy-based DSL, domain-specific language, that defines the pipeline. It includes agent, specifies where the pipeline will run. Any means it can run on any available agent. Stages, defines the different stages of the pipeline, such as build, test, and deploy. Steps, specifies the actions to take within each stage. In this example, we're using shell commands, sh, to execute make targets for building, testing, and deploying. Common mistakes. Incorrect Jenkinsfile syntax. Make sure to use the correct Groovy syntax and follow the Jenkinsfile structure. Insufficient permissions. Ensure that the Jenkins user has the necessary permissions to execute the commands in the pipeline. Missing dependencies. Verify that all required dependencies are installed and configured correctly. Try this next. Experiment with different pipeline stages and steps to automate your specific workflow. Integrate your pipeline with version control systems like Git to trigger builds on code changes. Pro tip. Use a Jenkins master node for managing jobs and a separate agent node for executing the pipeline to improve performance and scalability. Implement proper logging and monitoring to track pipeline execution and identify potential issues. To further practice, consider exploring Docker integration. Use Docker containers as agents to run your pipeline stages. Kubernetes deployment. Deploy your application to a Kubernetes cluster as part of the pipeline. Security and access control. Configure role-based access control and ensure secure communication between Jenkins and your Git repository. How would you like to proceed with your Jenkins setup and pipeline creation? Do you have any specific requirements or questions about the process?